Good afternoon, student. In chapter number 2, MS Access queries, form and report. Today our topic is how to create a query and find out specific data through the query criteria. So before start the query criteria, I want to explain again what is the query criteria. Query criteria are a search condition used in query to retrieve specific data. That means if you find out any information from any large amount of data, then using the query criteria. And now how we can find out the specific data through the query criteria. So let's start. First we go to the student table 4. I'm already make a one table, that is a student table. All of you know how to create a table. First go to the create command, home new, or choose the, when you click on the new, choose the new command and you can first create a database and after that create a table. So now this is the table which I have already made. In this table you can see that this is the table of 10 students. This is the student table where the student name is assigned, student class, student age and student mail ID. Now we want to run this query. How to create a query? So first click on the create button and choose the query design tab. When you click on the query design tab, the show table will display. Choose your table like student table 4 and add, click on add button. When you click on the add button, it will add it in your query design window. This is the query design window which is divided in two parts. First is the query design window and second is the query design grid. Now choose the particular field and drag it and drop it in this area. Like first click on the field name and drag it and drop it. Again click on the field name and class, drag it and drop it. Same as click on the field name and drag it and drop it. Now the table, that means student ID, student name, student class, student age and student mail ID. This is the part of student table 4 with student table also display in your table row. Second is the sort. If you want to sort your query, you can sort in ascending and descending order by the ID, by the name, by the class and by the age. It depends on your requirement. Show, that means if the check mark is visible, that means these field will be visible in your table. Criteria, that means if you find out a specific record, we using the criteria. For example, we find out only the student age between 11 to 14. So we write here between, condition between 11 and 14, and after that click on the run command. When you click on the run command, you can see that 12, 13, 14, 12, 11, 13 and 11, age of the student of 12 to 11 to 14 will be displayed, and your original database is this, where 16 age will be displayed, 17 and 14 and 12 and 10 will be displayed, but we want a specific record, so we using the query and run this queries. Again you can see student table. First choose the student table, click on the create button, go to the query design and drag, choose the student table 4 and add in your query design window and drag it and drop it in this area. Suppose you want to find out only the name of the student whose name start from alphabet S, then use the asterisk mark, capital S, because we write all the letter in a capital, so we using the capital asterisk, and close the double quotation mark and run your query. You can see that Seema and Shivam, those only two data, we have only two data, Seema and Shivam name. Clear? So again go to the query design. Now even you can find out, use the between age, between one date and time. That means if you want to find out the student table, suppose we have a student table where admission date is 6/2/21, we find out the person who take a admission between 6 May to 21 May. So how we can find out? Or again click on the create button and choose the query design window, choose the student table because we write here in a student table, so use the student table and drag the field and drop it in this area. Student age and student admission date. Now click on the query criteria, click on the criteria options and right here between operator, between with font sign 6 May 20 and 6 May 20, use again font sign and again use the font sign 21 May 20 and run your query. So you can see that 6, 14, 21 will be displayed. Again click on the create button and choose design view, add the table, like suppose only the student admission, we can find out only the student admission, how many student take a admission between these dates, so use the between font sign 6 May 20 with font sign and 21 May 20 with font sign and run your query. So you can see that 6, 14 and 21 student will be displayed, and we want to display the name also and the class also. So and the name also, and suppose we don't want to show the age, then remove the check mark, and that means we only show the student admission date, student ID, student class, student name. So again click on run command. You can see that student admission date, student ID, student class and student name will be show. So that is the use of query criteria. Through the query criteria you can find out specific record. Your homework is learn any 3 query criteria with description. And in the next video I will explain what is the expression. Till then, thank you.